Say hi.
Hello.
Princess. Hi. So what are you doing?
Eating.
Eating where?
Here, malapit sa Holy Trinity.
Sa school nyo?
Huli ko kasi yung Valentine, mahala tayo misis. Kaya
Ang tawag dito ay karinderya. Yes po. Yan o, karinderya ni nanay. Tayo na kain. Sarap pa yung food.
Yes po.
Anong ulam mo, Kuya Franco?
Fish, sabaw, and gulay.
Ginataang isda. And anong sabaw?
Fish.
Sarap, no? Asim. How about you, Princess? What's your ulam?
Lumpia, Shanghai.
Lumpiang Shanghai, no? Lumpiang toge yan. Lumpiang gulay. Wow, very good. You're eating gulay, ah. How about the gulay na maasim? You eat it.
Asim.
Yes, like... Sarap yan.
I don't want asim.
Di ba maasim nga tong sabaw? Maasim yan eh. Dali na, dali na. You finish it. Wow, naubos naman yung rice. Very good. How about you? Wow, ubos din yung rice, ha? Lakas kumain. Ang lakas kumain. What? Why your face turning into red now? Because bojog yung face mo. Ha? Namumulanan ako because it's hot. It's summer time.
You too. It is worth now.
Stop it. Finish na. Sige na, sige na. Eat na. You're full na? Oh, what will you say?
I eat food.
Thank you po, Lord. How about you?
Not yet.
Not yet. Very good. Lakas kumain ni Kuya Franco. I will finish your food now, okay, Princess. You drink water. Ah, sige. You will drink muna. Yan. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na.
I'm not. Bye.